Understanding one love, one heart in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful phrase, one love, one heart. This expression is not just a set of words but a powerful message that resonates with many across the globe. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, one love, one heart, is often associated with feelings of unity, togetherness, and universal love. When we break it down, one love suggests a universal love that transcends boundaries, be they cultural, racial, or geographical. It's about loving everyone as equals, fostering a sense of brotherhood and compassion among all people. One heart emphasizes the idea of shared experiences and emotions. It suggests that, despite our differences, we all share common desires, hopes, and dreams. At our core, we are all the same. This phrase was popularized by Bob Marley, a legendary Jamaican singer-songwriter, through his music. Marley's song, One Love, People Get Ready, conveys a message of hope, peace, and unity. It's a call for global solidarity and understanding, inspiring listeners to come together and build a better world. Marley's influence went beyond music. He became a symbol of peace and unity. The phrase, one love, one heart, thus carries the spirit of his message, encouraging us to look beyond our differences and come together as one. You can use one love, one heart in various contexts to express solidarity, compassion, and unity. Here are a few examples. When closing an email or letter to a friend, let's remember, it's all about one love, one heart. Take care. During speeches or presentations on topics related to peace, unity, or community service, our goal is to embody the principle of one love, one heart in all that we do. In casual conversation, when discussing the importance of coming together to overcome challenges, if we approach this with one love, one heart, I believe we can make a difference. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the profound meaning behind one love, one heart. This phrase is more than just words. It's a call to action, urging us to embrace love and unity in our lives. We hope this video has inspired you to reflect on how you can contribute to a more compassionate and united world. Remember, it's through understanding and embracing our shared humanity that we can truly make a difference. Until next time, keep learning and keep loving.